Welcome to Pro Engineering and Manufacturing Incorporated. Pro is the leader in the customized tunnel and batch pasteurizers for the beer and beverage industry. Trending now, the role of pasteurization in non-alcoholic beverages, ensuring taste and safety. Topics include benefits of pasteurization in non-alcoholic beverages, balancing safety and flavor preservation, and case studies on successful pasteurization applications. Go to the description section below to access the entire article and contact info to get a quote on a customized pasteurizer or retrofit. For over 40 years, we have specialized in pasteurizers to fit our clients' needs, big or small. Hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date on new trends and opportunities in the beverage industry. Quality since 1977, Pro Engineering and Manufacturing Incorporated, partner with a pro.